Alternatives to Chime, best similar options in the US. A lot of people leave Chime and immediately look for the app that looks the most similar, that feels logical, but it usually misses the real question. The better move is finding the option that keeps the low fee everyday feel while fixing the part of the experience you actually care about most, whether that is earlier pay, stronger overdraft, help, or a more complete banking setup. And that is why the best alternative here is not just the closest copy. One option is better if you want a fuller bank account, one feels closest to Chime's original appeal, and one stands out because it gives you the same kind of app-first experience with more room to grow. That last point is what decides the winner. What makes an alternative truly worth it? The smartest way to judge a Chime alternative is simple. Look at monthly fees, early direct deposit, ATM access, and whether the extra features are actually useful or just there to make the app sound bigger. This is general info, not financial or legal advice. That matters because Chime already sets a clear baseline with no monthly fees, early pay, fee-free overdraft for eligible users, and broad ATM access. So a real alternative has to feel competitive in daily life, not just in marketing. Option 3. SoFi, more complete but less Chime-like. If you want something that feels more like a full online bank than a pure spending app, SoFi is one of the strongest names in the mix. Its checking and savings account says it has no account, service, or maintenance fees, and SoFi says early paycheck access is often available up to 2 days early, depending on when it receives a notice from the Federal Reserve. The honest catch is that SoFi does not feel like the closest Chime replacement. It is broader and more bank-like, which can be great if that is exactly what you want. But if your goal is to keep the same lightweight app-first feel, this one may feel a little less familiar. Option 2, Baro, the closest simple alternative. Baro is one of the easiest picks if what you liked about Chime was straightforward no-fee banking. Baro says its bank account has no monthly fees, no overdraft fees, no minimum balance requirement, and no in-network ATM fees, with access to more than 40,000 fee-free ATMs. It also offers early direct deposit up to 2 days early at no additional cost. That makes Baro feel very close to Chime in everyday use. It is clean, simple, and easy to understand. The reason it stops at number 2 is that it feels more like a solid mirror of Chime than a meaningful step up from it. Option 1, Current, the best blend of similar and better. Current takes the top spot because it keeps the same kind of mobile-first rhythm while adding more upside if you qualify. Current says it has no mandatory annual or monthly account fees, direct deposit can arrive up to 2 days early, fee-free overdraft is available for eligible users, and paycheck advances can go up to $750 for eligible customers. It also says users get access to more than 40,000 fee-free ATMs nationwide. That is what closes the loop from the opening. The winner is not the one that copies Chime most closely, it is the one that feels familiar but gives you more flexibility when real life gets tight.
Current usually does that better than the others.
The best choice depends on what you miss most. SoFi is strong if you want a broader banking setup. Baro is excellent if you want something very close to Chime without much learning curve. But if you want the best overall alternative in the US, Current stands out because it stays close to the Chime formula while offering more headroom in the areas that matter most to many users. That is the detail most people miss at the start. The best Chime alternative is not just about replacing an app, it is about choosing which version of the experience you actually want next. If you enjoyed the video, hit like, and I'll leave a video on screen that may be of interest to you. You can click it to watch. See you next time.